Plans for the Axiom 3 mission call for the crew to spend roughly 14 days in microgravity aboard the ISS, conducting more than 30 scientific experiments, many of them focused on the effects of spaceflight on human health and disease. More symbolically, the mission reflects the growing number of nations venturing to Earth orbit as a way of enhancing global prestige, military prowess, and satellite-based communications. Turkey, a longtime applicant for EU membership, was poised to enter the exclusive but expanding club of ISA's guest countries by sending Alper Gazarov C-44, a Turkish Air Force veteran, on his nation's debut human spaceflight as an AX-3 mission specialist. He was being joined by Italian Air Force Colonel Walter Villade, 49, AX-3's designated pilot, Swedish aviator Marcus Want, 43, another mission specialist, and Lepis Allegra, 65, a retired NASA astronaut and dual citizen of Spain and the United States. Lepis Allegra, an Axiom executive, also commanded the company's first mission to the ISS in April 2022. Axiom billed the flight as the first all-European commercial astronaut mission to the space station. If all goes smoothly, they will be welcomed aboard ISS early on Saturday by the 7 members of the station's current regular crew, 2 Americans from NASA, 1 astronaut each from Japan and Denmark, and 3 Russian cosmonauts. In May 2023, Axiom 2 launched a guest team of 2 Americans and 2 Saudis, including Rayana Barnawi, biomedical scientist who became the first Arab woman ever sent to orbit on an 8-day mission to the ISS. SPACEX, the privately funded rocket and satellite company of billionaire Elon Musk, provides Axiom's launch vehicles and crew capsules under contract, as it has for NASA missions to the ISS. SpaceX also runs mission control for its rocket launches from the company's headquarters near Los Angeles. NASA, besides furnishing the launch site at Cape Canaveral, assumes responsibility for the astronauts once they rendezvous with the space station. Axiom, an 8-year-old venture headed by NASA's former ISS program manager, is one of a handful of companies building a commercial space station of its own, intended to eventually replace the 25-year-old ISS, which NASA expects to retire around 2030. Get weekly news and analysis on the U.S. elections and how it matters to the world with the newsletter on the campaign trail. Sign up here. Reporting by Joe Skipper in Cape Canaveral, Florida, and Joey Roulette in Washington. Writing and additional reporting by Steve Gorman in Los Angeles. Editing by Will Dunham and David Gregorio.